Okay. Sorry about my voice. I've been talking all day. That's what I do for work. I talk all day. So, this is a tutorial on a smoky eye. I'm thinking about using it for my graduation, and also transitioning it into my nighttime dinner after the graduation. So here I am starting off with my brows. I like my brows to be a little bit thicker, so I don't really arch them as much. I just use the concealer to clean up around them. Now I'm using various products from the Dollar Tree because I didn't have the one that I really wanted available at the moment. So this is, I believe, from LA Colors. It's their medium brown pencil that I'm using to shape my brow. I really don't color it in as much as you would think, just a little bit, like hair like strokes, as you can see that I'm doing. If I can find a link to any of these products, they will be on LTK or somewhere in the description bar. Heating it up a little bit because this can take me a long time. I spend a lot of time on my brows. So I'm using two different pencils that I found from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they'll have it at your Dollar Tree, but if I find it on Amazon or any other site, again, it will be linked below. So next, I'm going to use my Real Techniques travel brush, my angle brush, to outline my brow to give it shape, and I'm using LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. It's still one of my favorite concealers. Now, I do my foundation a little bit darker than my actual skin tone. I just like the glowy bronzy look on my skin because it really matches my eyes and my features. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with the angled liner brush from Real Techniques. And to keep it from getting on my hand, I have this Real Techniques clear palette that you can put on your hand to put your product on. I've seen some people use vinyl gloves. That's fine. I'm thinking about buying some for my trip so I don't have it all over my hands. As you can see, I'm just carefully lining the shape that I want. My eyebrows naturally grow upwards, so I kind of take advantage of that. For just a second, and then I go in with a fluffy blending brush from Real Techniques. It's in their travel set, and I just use a buffer brush to blend it out because I want some of it to stay around the brow, but I want it to be blended in with my skin tone and the rest of my makeup. As you can see, I use golden hue things because I'm a little pink. I'm not gonna hold you, and I don't like that. So I like to go in with yellow and golden tones when it comes to my makeup. I am putting on a eyelid primer. It's really not. It's a paint pot from MAC. It's called Contemplative State. It's a brown beige paint pot. I use that as my eyelid base and primer. And I just blend that up with my concealer. And using what is left over from that initial blending of the concealer, I use it to even out my eyelid space. Next, I'm taking the Janessa Myricks palette. It's a mini palette, and I'm taking that dark brown that you see in the palette, and I'm using a Sigma blending brush to go into that dark brown. As you can see, I'm concentrating it in the middle of my eyelid to create a even blend and crease of my eyeshadow, because I'm going to be going in with a very dark black. It almost looks a tinted of a dark navy blue almost. So I want to make sure it's an even blend from brow to the bottom of my lid. Here I'm taking the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in black, and I'm just going to messy line my lower lid, and I'm blending it out with a blending brush from Sonia Kashuk. It's one of her limited edition sets. I don't think you can find this anywhere, but all of her brushes are pretty much the same. They just come out in different themes, basically. Don't poke yourself in the eye like I did. So that's going to be my base for the black, because I want to concentrate it at the bottom and blend up. So I'm taking the black color in that palette and shaking off the excess, and I'm pressing it into my lid to concentrate the color. You don't want to bring it all the way up to the middle. You just want to keep it at the base. And we're going to use a blending brush to blend these colors together. So as you can see, I'm blending it out with that same brush. that I used to blend earlier. And you're going to take some time to blend that out as much as you can. Get right in that line and blend those two together so it looks seamless. I am using RCMA powder. It's the colorless powder. It is white, but it does not show up on your skin or have a cast when you take pictures. If you want to see my foundation routine, let me know and I will record it. But I'm just using some RCMA powder to set my concealer and everything before I put on my blush and everything. So I'm just going to speed through this part. Now, if you want a more in-depth one, I will record it for you. Juvia Places lip liners. It's in a medium brown. It's not a dark brown. It's more closely with my actual natural lip line, so I like it. So I just line my entire lip, and I come in a little bit too. Fill it in my lip a little bit because my lips are bright pink, and I don't want that to show through all the way. Next, I'm going to pick up two MAC lipsticks, one in Flesh Pot and the other in Honey Love. These are two beautiful nudes. One is a pinky nude, one is, of course, a brown nude. And I'm going to combine them. I'm going to put on Honey Love first, and then go in just in the middle of my pout with Flesh Pot. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to top it with lip gloss in clear. It's the clear MAC lip gloss. Because I really didn't want much. As you can see, just Honey Love by itself looks great, but I want some depth in my lips. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Flesh Pot in the middle for some contrast. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. Everything again will be in the description bar below, or link somewhere on my page. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. 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 Tell me how you want it, when you want it, I'ma give it to you, girl. Tell me when you want it.